In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use or add a row in WordPress with the latest updates. If you're looking to enhance your WordPress site and make it more dynamic, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right into it and make your site stand out with just a few simple steps. We're going to start by heading over to wordpress.com, open up your favorite web browser, and in the address bar type in wordpress.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the WordPress homepage, which is your starting point for creating and editing your website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. For a quicker login, especially if you use a Google account for just about everything online, you might want to use the Continue with Google option. Simply click on this button and you'll be presented with the list of Google accounts you've used in your browser. Here you'll want to choose the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site and click it to proceed. Now that you're inside your WordPress dashboard, let's focus on editing your site. On the right panel of the dashboard, you'll see a section labeled Quick Links. Under Quick Links, there's an option to edit site. Click on that to access your site editor where all the magic happens. This is where you can modify your pages, add content, and make your website uniquely yours. To begin adding a row, look towards the top left of your screen. You're looking for a button that says Add. Click on this button and a new set of options will appear. These are different types of blocks you can insert into your site. Since we want to add a row, you'll need to type row into the search bar. WordPress will then filter out other blocks and show you the row option, which is exactly what we need to add more structure to your content layout. Once you see the rows option, go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a few configuration settings that pop up. One important choice here is to select how many rows you need. WordPress provides several layout options, so think about how many rows work best for the content you're trying to display. Select the number of rows you'd like and WordPress will automatically add them to your page. And there you have it, you've successfully added a row to your WordPress site. Remember to save your changes and feel free to customize your rows further by adding content blocks for text, images, or even widgets. This way not only do you enhance your site's functionality, but you also improve its aesthetic appeal. Thanks for watching and happy designing.